Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your science teacher. I am Shugufta Makbul. Today I am starting my teaching with an activity. Look at what is in my hand. This is balloon. This is balloon. What I here you can see these are pieces of paper. You are seeing here these are pieces of paper. Okay students, what is air? Air is all around us. We can't live without air. We can't see air. We can only feel it when it moves. We can only feel it when it moves. But air is all around us. Air is all around us. When it moves, we can feel air. This balloon is filled with air. The air that you blow fill up the balloon. The air that you blow fills up the balloon. This shows that air takes up space, and with the help of air we can move things. So students, look at here. I am telling you we can only feel air. We can only feel air. This balloon becomes bigger due to air. This is bigger due to air. So students, we can only feel it. I am showing you we can only feel it. We can't see air. We can't see it. What is coming out from this balloon? Which thing is coming out from this balloon? And look at this balloon. Which thing is coming out from balloon? And look at here. We can't see this thing. We can only feel it. And this thing will move these papers. What happened? Look at here. The air inside this balloon is coming out. This balloon was filled with air. So air moves the things. Air helps to move the things. Now look at these things students. This is candle, this is matchstick, and this is glass. Okay students, to show this I am showing you through an activity to show this that air is needed for lighting fire, air is needed for burning, and air is needed to light this candle. Air is needed for lighting fire, and air is needed for lighting this candle. Look at here. I am going to light this candle. Look at here. At this time you are seeing candle is burning. Candle is burning. Look at here. Candle is burning. This is because of air that is in this room. Candle is burning. Now I am going to place a glass over this candle. Look at here. I am going to place this glass and invert this glass over this candle. After some time you will see what happens. Let's see the candle. Look at here. After some time the candle stopped burning. Look at here. The candle has stopped burning. Look at here. We can't see light. This is because of air. The air inside the glass was used for burning. The air inside the glass was used for burning. So we can say air is needed to light a fire. Air is needed for burning. To burn thing, when we are burning anything, and I am burning paper, when I am burning anything, to burn anything, if there is air, I will be able to burn thing. Without air, without air, we will not be able to burn anything. So we can say air is all around us. Air is needed for burning. Air is needed for breathing. With the help of air, we can move the things. Okay students, in next video we will start reading. Thank you so much.